We're looking for potential microorganisms in our clean room. We're going to do two types of sampling today. We're going to do what we call a viable sampling for bacterial matter, and then we're also going to do a viable sampling for fungal mold spores. So we're doing two types of collection of samples for different types of organisms in our clean room. What I have here is what they call an impactor, impacting sampling device. Basically what it does is you put a petri dish with a medium on it in the impactor, and the vacuum pump draws air into the impactor and draws air on top of the auger medium on the plate. I'm going to start with a sample plate for the bacterial sample collection. So what I'm going to do is sanitize my hands with 70% isopropyl alcohol. I have the impactor in a location according to a sampling location map that I've put together for the collection of the samples. For the viable air samplings that we're doing, we're doing 8 locations in the clean room, including 6 in the main clean room, 1 in the gowning room, and 1 in the transfer room. I'll take a sample plate with the sample medium on it, and this is for the bacterial counts. Place the plate down onto the impactor base. Remove the lid covering the sample medium. So now the auger plate is in the housing. I put the little hold downs on it. And it just freely draws the air into the plate, onto the plate. I set a calibrated timer. And basically, once I start the pump, start the timer, and we start our 10-minute sample collection time. And as you can see, there's little bumps on the plate. That tells me that the pump and impactor did its job, that it drew air through all those microscopic holes, providing an equal distributed amount of air over the plate. And you can actually visually see that on the sample plate.